The Green Witch has an extensive herbal recipe collection and discusses essential oils. It also provides helpful ideas for using herbs and flowers to create herbal medicine. In this way, a modern witch can practice green witchcraft and practice self-care. There are many benefits to having a strong, family-oriented pagan practice. These include providing a sense of belonging and identity to family members, developing trust and respect, creating an open atmosphere for discussing spiritual issues, and providing an opportunity for young children to learn about and engage in pagan traditions. Paganism is a movement embraced by feminists and male participants, environmentalists, and those seeking a non-structured religious practice. It's also an antidote to the rigid hierarchy and shaming that many mainstream religions still uphold, such as blaming women for their sexual sins or expecting deference from female adherents. While some paganism strains have strict initiation ceremonies and rules, other groups believe that anyone can become a witch simply by choosing to be one. In addition to using broomsticks and cauldrons, many witches also use herbs and crystals. Creating a special relationship with your animal friends is a great way to connect to them and the natural world, whether through their food, how they communicate with you, or how they care for you. Your animal familiars can be a powerful tool in your spiritual journey. Ritual is the most important aspect of a pagan lifestyle, and practitioners draw on various sources to develop their rituals. They may practice a contemporary pagan tradition such as Wicca Druidry, non-Wiccan forms of religious witchcraft, heathenry and esoteric Northern European pagan traditions, feminist goddess worship, or a variety of reconstructionisms based on historical religions. A common aspect of goddess worship is ambivalence, which reflects goddesses' nurturing and terrifying aspects. In Hinduism, for example, Kali, the goddess of death and chaos, evokes enormous fear and ambivalence among her devotees. In addition to her vengeful and angry aspects, she is known for her ability to cure disease. One of the best ways to find your inner goddess is through rituals and ceremonies. These can be done at home, church, or shaman's place of power. The key is to find the right goddess for your needs, then call her in and ask her to help you with whatever issues you may be facing. Many thanks to Pagan Corner for publishing my work.